Blue Arc Engineering is a provider of specialty material handling equipment. We work with a lot of systems integrators across the country that do multi-million-dollar conveyor systems. These systems are in pharmaceutical, they're in manufacturing, a lot of automotive type of applications. Basically, if an engineer somewhere can think of a concept, they sketch it on a napkin and send it to us, and it's our job then to provide the solution to that problem they have. Our motto is, it's just like the last one, but it's different. So a lot of times we have parts or blocks that we can start with from a past project, but sometimes it's just a totally clean slate we have to start with.
We do a lot of configurations. Typically, we've got a 100-foot long conveyor, and they're in 10-foot sections, and of course every section is different.
The great thing with SolidWorks is the parametric modeling ability to be able to do the changes, and it's automatically going to update the models and the assemblies within the drawings. That's obviously a very, very huge benefit for us to be able to do that.
We've definitely ran into that several times where it's saved us a lot of headaches by saying, oh, this is going to interfere with this, or if we go to a different size cylinder, we can get the clearance we need.
We use the parts library quite a bit, and so we can interchange parts back and forth, and someone's made that, they can put it in there. The next person later on doesn't have to go back and redraw it and reprint it out.
We have to give approval drawings for most every project we do, and to the customer it looks like it's a complete working machine, but there's a lot of details we go back and fill in and make final decisions on motors and bearings and things like that the customer doesn't necessarily need to know about, so to speak. So it gives us a great way to model up a kind of a rough concept that looks very polished, and it looks like, you know, we're ready to make the thing, which is definitely what we want to do. And then from SolidWorks, we're only a couple of days away from fab drawings at that point.
SolidWorks does a very good job of being flexible to work with other platforms. Most of our customers are typically AutoCAD houses, 2D conveyor layouts and that type of thing. So what they want the information from us in a 2D format, just so they can insert it into their drawing. SolidWorks is obviously an awesome tool for that, to be able to have that flexibility.